Hello, everyone. It's Ashley from I'mNotATree.blogspot.com with Mr. I'm Not a Tree, who is, for the very first time ever, very, very excited for this unboxing. The reason is we are doing an unboxing of the Fuego Box tonight, which is obviously, in case you don't speak any Spanish or have never seen a fire extinguisher or anything, means hot.
No.
It means fire.
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. So he grew up in Texas. I think I've made this very clear. So he enjoys spicy.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because of Texas or because he's weird. I don't know.
You married me.
I like spicy too. My stepmother is from Thailand, and she makes really good. It's a different kind of spicy than Mexican food. So we have actually talked about this in other conversations. That there are different kinds of spicy.
Very much so.
And this box sends you up and coming like hot sauces and stuff that you probably have never heard of. So we are both pretty darn excited.
We should probably tell them that if you do choose to subscribe to this box, the first one is 2 hot sauces and a book, and every one after that will be 3 hot sauces. Now, we haven't opened this one yet, so we don't know which one we got. Personally, I'm hoping for the 3 hot sauces, but if we get a book, that's okay.
He's passionate, man. He's a passionate man. Okay, so here we go. Do you want to open it since you're really excited?
Yeah, that's right.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we have a card with...
Don't look. That tells us what we got.
All right. Oh, wow. There's so much here. Okay. So it looks like we have the 2 sauces and the book. This is the 33 drops of hot sauce, which will tell us kind of how to try and sample. Ooh, it's also... Ooh, it's actually a catalog.
A note.
This is pretty cool. So it's going to tell us, if you take a look, you have a scale of how to grade things, information about it, what you think, so you can keep track of all the different hot sauces. And we can see how it goes.
It kind of looks like
cool.
a field notes journal.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, right?
Oh, wow. Then a bunch of little stuff. So we've got a little thing of habanero hot sauce picante. I'm not sure what that is, but I would love to try some. It looks like it's just a Tabasco. It looks like a Tabasco brand. So that's pretty cool. Palo Alto Firefighters pepper sauce. It's a habanero. So maybe we're getting a sampler instead of the traditional. We also have something called a flavor fix. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a salt or a seasoning. I want to read more about this.
Oh, this is actually
2 spice blends in your mailbox each month.
This is another subscription box.
It says on the back what it is.
The flavor fix. It's sriracha salt.
Oh, exactly.
Ooh, that actually sounds
really good.
I've never heard of anything like that before in my life.
Okay, now the big deal.
He's like, just get this crap.
No, those are all good.
No,
They're good things. All right, but okay, we have the first one, Frankie V's smooth hot sauce. Excuse me, spooky white hot sauce. I said smooth. I don't know why. I apologize.
Because he doesn't have his glasses on.
I'm nearsighted.
Exactly. Fuego.
All right, and then the other one is Ghost of Ancho, Born to Hula, all natural hot sauce.
So ancho is a pepper, right?
Apparently, I don't know.
I believe it is.
That sounds right.
I think I've heard of it. If I'm wrong, don't listen to me.
Ancho chili is what it says on here.
See that?
But it's also got a bunch of habanero, and then smoked something called Boot Jolokia. I'm excited.
Salt, onion powder.
Those are just other flavors.
Yeah, cool.
All right, so we're actually going to try these.
We're
going
to try them on camera, so if we explode, you'll come on.
I'm excited about this. Okay.
He has a plate ready and everything.
I do.
So.
It's right here. We're gonna try. Which one should we try first?
This one.
All right, Frankie V's Spooky White.
Should we try these, or should we save these? These are packets. If we eat them on camera, we won't be able to use them later, maybe on meats or something.
Well, we have a bunch of the Palo Alto.
Oh, so we'll try the Palo Alto.
So try the Palo Alto as well. All right. Ooh, I like the. Oh wow.
And this has like a wax. Okay, this has a wax seal, like some of your liquors, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, first the smell. Vinegary.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
She's a little scared. All right, so we're gonna pour a little. We just got plain pita chips here, so there's no other flavor or cooling agent. It's just.
I have a
plain
soda
chip.
over there. That's my backup, just in case.
All right, so soda actually makes burn worse.
Sugar. A teaspoon of sugar makes the medicine go down. Let's cut to the chase here, Mr. I'm gonna try.
All right, here we go. So we're just starting off with a little bit. Here, you want to try this one?
I'll try it.
There you go, just a little bit for you.
It has almost a I taste like a Parmesan. Like
What are the ingredients? See if there's Parmesan in there.
Oh, wow. So this is white onion, organic white vinegar, habaneros, white rice vinegar. So you were right with that vinegar.
No.
Garlic, lemon juice, salt, ginger. That's interesting. White pepper and mustard. This is a different kind of hot. Wow.
So this is interesting because it hits you at the beginning.
Yeah.
It's because we've talked about this. There's two types of heat that you get. There's the one that spikes at the beginning and then tapers off, and that's more of your traditional jalapeno type spices. Now then you have a habanero, which is different, which starts off much more slowly and then peaks at the end. It's kind of in the back rather than up front on the tip of the tongue. This is a good combination of both. I don't want to say it's not painfully spicy at all. No. It's very vinegary at first.
Tangy.
Yeah, very tangy right up front. It's almost like a Carolina type of barbecue, but not quite. But there's a lot of vinegar. But very good. Definitely, it's excellent. Definitely something I would put. This recommends guacamole. I don't know if I'd put in guacamole, but definitely a burrito. I think it'd be spectacular in a burrito.
It is good.
No, but that's
excellent. The Parmesan, I think, is what I was confusing with all of the tang.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, it's good. There's lemon juice in it as well. Maybe that's the tang that you're getting.
Good. That's different. I've never had anything like that.
But no, that's very, very good. That's excellent. Okay, so now we are moving on to here. Drink your soda. I'm gonna drink some water so we can go into the.
I don't usually drink soda. It's poison. However, I will right now.
Because Dr. Pepper's the best.
They call it Dr. Nick. Anyway, from Simpsons.
Oh yeah. Cures what ails you. All right. Apparently, we should mention the Born to Hula 2014 Golden Chili winner from zestfest.net. I don't know what that is, but congratulations to them.
Hey. Congrats.
Was this a cork? No, it's a screw. And it's got a little cap here.
I'm still experiencing heat in my chest right now.
In your chest? Not me. I still got something on the sides of my tongue.
Feel it in my it's still in my mouth too. Yeah, but I mean like.
No, it's warm. And it lingers.
Yeah.
Wow, that is still lingering. That's a good point that you brought that up. All right, so we're going to smell the Born to Hula, Ghost of Ancho.
Well, I also drank some soda too, so maybe that did it.
This is not a vinegary. This is a more traditional tomato smelling type hot sauce. Ooh, it's almost a little barbecue smell. It smells very good.
Oh, yeah, like a smoky.
Yeah.
Or like
Very good. All right, here's one for you. I'll put a little on here for you. All right, there you go. That's for you. Go ahead and try it. Let's see how this one turns out. Right.
They're all waiting patiently.
No.
I know what we think.
I need more to taste that one. I think the kind of the problem is I just went
still
from.
Have some of this.
Well, no, it's not so much that we still have some of the spooky white. That is definitely lingering. Well, this one is a much milder flavor, which there's definitely something to be said for that in hot sauces. You don't always want your hot sauce
overpowering
to be your flavor. Now, sometimes you absolutely do. The spooky white, if you want to taste your hot sauce, like, hey, it's not just heat, I'm getting a flavor with it, that type of vinegary accent that's there. This is much more of a accent of heat, and the smokiness is really good. I like the smokiness. I want to try it again a little more.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Not as hot.
Yeah, definitely. No, definitely. This is like, if him and I are two very different people. I like a milder, not mild, but he likes a much higher degree of heat than I do. This is a little too much for me. I mean, I can eat it, no big deal. This is more my speed, though. I would apply this.
No, you know what? I got a little bit more. Spray around my tongue a little bit. There's definitely a little bit more heat there. That's good. I don't want to say which one I prefer over the other because I don't want to start a battle. They're both very, very good.
They're different. They're very different.
They're different.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Right. So the Born to Hula, more of a smoky flavor, and more of an type of accent that you would add to your food. Probably great for barbecue sauces.
Yeah.
I would say if you want to
an undernote.
Mm-hmm.
I
think that would be really good.
Addition to your flavors that you already have.
Absolutely. All right, so I'll let you take it from here. That was so good. Thank you for letting me do this one. That's
all right.
Excellent.
Oh, you don't want this one?
Yeah, that's right. I forgot about these. I thought we were done.
That's why I run the show here, people. That's why I run this show.
All right. Palo Alto firefighters, pepper sauce. Ooh, drink something.
Okay. Are we going to... Oh, is this like a 5-alarmer? Oh, we have a graphic for that. We can put fire on our heads on this.
That was a terrible joke.
What? You said it's a firefighters, right? 5-alarmer. I'm sorry. Come on, open it up.
Boo. All right, let's try this. All right, let's open it up.
I'm scared about this one.
This is just red jalapeno and habanero, so it's more straightforward. I don't think this one's going to be... I don't know, we'll see. Oh, that's a lot.
That's yours.
Yeah. Here, take that one in there. Take it.
All right. All right, guys.
Yeah. All right,
bottoms up. Oh, I like that.
Yeah?
I smell, it tastes like cumin.
Yeah. That's the first thing you taste is cumin.
Yeah.
A lot.
I agree.
That's the mildest of the three.
Yeah, definitely.
Cumin at first, vinegar at the end.
My kids would eat that probably.
If you convinced them and tricked them.
Put sugar in it.
No, that's good. That's
Here
good.
you go,
Nice linger at the end. Not too hot. Nice. Definitely the mildest of the three.
Very good.
This would be a nice substitute if you go to Taco Bell for their fire sauce. A little hotter than that.
I was going to say like a taco.
Yeah, a taco flavor. Yeah, type of taco thing.
All right.
But no, it's good. It's good. I love hot sauce. It's all good.
So what do you think of this box overall, the Fuego Box?
Spectacular. Oh my god, I feel hot sauce.
A gift for your husband who really loves hot sauce, or if you really love hot sauce, whatever. This box is pretty cool. I like it. It's legit.
This is awesome. We're gonna start filling out our 33 drops of hot sauce, different flavor thing.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Read my full blog review. I'll link below, and then also I'll link to the Fuego Box. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye.